Welcome ladies and gentlemen to Warwick Science's film practical activities of making carbon dioxide gas. Now to make carbon dioxide gas we need two things. First of all we need hydrochloric acid, and we have the 2 molar hydrochloric acid there, and we also need calcium carbonate or marble chips as we will use. Calcium carbonate is present in the shells of marine creatures such as crabs and the like. So what we'll do is we'll just get a number of those and place them into the bottom. Okay, couple escaped, and then we'll add the hydrochloric acid. Now just a general rule, always hold the label side, because that way A, it doesn't destroy the label, and B, any drips go down the opposite side. So what we'll do is just pour a little bit of that in. Let's just get in so that can be seen, so we can see what happens. You can start to see there that we have bubbling occurring. Make sure that you put the container on. Okay, so that's obviously producing the gas now. Now we just wait for it to push the air out. Sorry. Okay, and then what we do is we simply collect it in a gas jar. Now this is done by what's called the upward displacement of air. So in this case, carbon dioxide is a heavier gas, so it sinks to the bottom of the gas jar and pushes the oxygen out. So what we'll do is I'll switch the video off at this point and just wait for us to produce more carbon dioxide. But as normal, the prac write-up will come up on the screen now, so you can pause it and then re-switch the video back on when you're ready to commence. Okay, it's been a little while now, so hopefully we've got 2 lots of carbon dioxide gas in those 2 gas jars there. The test that we use is actually called a lime water test, or calcium hydroxide, and I've put some calcium hydroxide here into this test tube. You can see that it's a clear color, and if we were to place the CO2 into there, you can see it's starting to bubble. Okay, and you can also see that it's now starting to turn white. Okay, so that's actually the test for CO2, so you can see it turn white there. You can also do the same thing, of course, by using our breath, and I'll just get a little bit of material there. And I'll get a straw, and you very carefully have to do this because you don't want it to spill back up, but you blow through it. And you can see there too that that one has gone cloudy, so that tells me that there's carbon dioxide present within my breath. Okay, the final test that we do is to see the effect that it has, the carbon dioxide gas has on flames. So we'll light this one here, and this will also help to explain why we use it in the world of firefighting. Okay, so now hopefully what I can do is I can then pour the CO2 on. The CO2 is heavier, falls over, puts out the match because it is non-flammable. So that's the major activities we do in relation to carbon dioxide gas. Again, if you can complete your worksheet, please, and then consult your teacher to make sure that you have everything correct. So thank you for accessing Warwick Science's filmed practical activity of making carbon dioxide gas.